Hey, I'm Farrell, DebSpecs.com. It used to be more obvious if you had computer glasses because they would be tinted yellow. But now with advances of technology, you can filter a lot of blue and UV light and not have a tint. So a customer emailed me today, how do I know which glasses, because he got two pair of identical frames with plain lenses and ClearBlue lenses, and said we should have marked them, and he's absolutely right. So I'm going to show you how to tell the difference. Take the glasses off and then look at them, putting them under a light. Like if you have an overhead light, you can shine your phone light on them, your phone flashlight. What you're going to see is a little blue hue. Do you see there's a blue circle? That's because over there off screen there's a circle light, but the blue is actually from the AR anti-reflective coating. You're not gonna see that with a regular pair of glasses. You see how the light is white? That's how you know the difference. Eventually you're gonna get sensitive to that reflection. It's almost like the scales of a fish, that bluish hue, and you're not gonna need any special situation of special lighting.